Hello mga labidabs! Ito po ay for entertainment purposes only. At meron tayong gagawing video. For today's video ay yung eating chicken feet parody. Alam ko medyo late na pero natripan ko po at nagkaroon ako ng inspiration para gawin. Ayan. So itong aking nasa harapan ay syempre ang chicken feet. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hi! Today, it's my first time. First time to eat chicken feet. I love the smell. It smells good. Ew. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I'm going to try it now. Yeah. So, this one. Ew. What's the taste? Agbag titapok. Woo! Again. 3, 2, 1. So, yung the lipstick ko. Sorry. Okay, so now really I'm going to taste. I'm going to chicken feet. I really cannot. I cannot eat this. Oh my gosh. Ew. Again. It's social. Meron pa siyang lettuce. Sabi niyo bibig kamal. Okay, really. I'm gonna try it. I promise. I really want to eat chicken feet. Just go! Okay, no more drama. This is me, so I'm going to eat chicken feet. And this is how you eat chicken feet. In my house, in my home, and since I cooked this chicken feet, at makatipid, you don't need to buy from the street, okay, from the barbecuehan. You just buy the chicken feet from the market and then you make adobo in your home, at home. And this is how Manang Jenny eat chicken feet. You just pidot one piece at a time, like this, okay? And then you bite, you kagat like this. And again, you bite again. Yummy. Very good. And then you alus-us like this. Then, be careful. Because it might traffic in your throat. And then there will be singat-singat in your teeth. So be careful. Okay? Like that. And then, after you eat this one, you put again inside the cacerola. You add water and then you make it boil. You put magic syrup. And you have ulam again until tonight. Okay, so that's the tip. After you eat, you don't just throw it, the bones. You put again in the cacerola, add water, let it boil, then you put magic syrup, onions like that, and then you have again sinabawang chicken feet. That's all. Thank you very much. Mwah!